In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to buy Rust skins on Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Before I start talking about how to purchase skins on the Xbox version of Rust, I want to make it very clear that even though I am recording this video on a PC, as you can notice, the process that I'm going to show you is going to work for the Xbox version of Rust. I'm simply recording it on my PC and displaying the method here because I cannot record an Xbox as of today, so I need to do this video on the PC version, but it is the same for Xbox. All that you have to do is from the home screen, select the item store or the Rust store. Immediately upon heading into the store, you will be able to browse through all of the items currently available. Some of them will be limited and others will be generally available. I cannot guarantee that all of these will always be available for every single version of Rust, so for example, the items on the Xbox store might differ from my PC store, but the process of buying them is the same. If you are doing this process on an Xbox, you will have to purchase Rust coins, so instead of all of the items being displayed on your local currency, they might have a price in Rust coins instead. In order to purchase them, all that you have to do is add them to your cart, and you will be able to proceed to checkout and either use the same amount in Rust coins or the total will be displayed in your currency. If you are purchasing Rust coins, as you can see displayed on the Xbox store, you will be able to choose from a variety of packs, so you can purchase either a minimum of 500 all the way up to 7,800, and these will differ in price. Regardless of how much you choose to buy, you will be able to spend them on the Rust store like I taught you here. You will also have the option to purchase some different bundles of Rust, and these might include some exclusive skins. Regardless of which option you pick, purchasing these bundles that automatically will give you some skins or going over to the item store in-game, you will be able to use your Rust coins to purchase skins. I hope I was able to help you on how to buy Rust skins on Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.